Okay, so now we will solve question number 4. Okay, so see, question number 4 is that exercise 5.5, question number 4. A certain number of fruits can be arranged in groups of 3, 4, 6 or 8 with no fruit left behind. Find the least number of fruits for the arrangement. It means a certain number of fruits. Okay, there will be a number of fruits. It may be any numbers. Okay, so there may be a number of fruits जिनको आप क्या कर सकते हैं, यू कैन अरेंज दैट नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट इन द ग्रुप्स ऑफ 3. आप 3 के ग्रुप्स में उन सारे फ्रूट्स को अरेंज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन अरेंज दैट फ्रूट इन द ग्रुप ऑफ 4. आप 4 के ग्रुप में अरेंज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन अरेंज दैट फ्रूट ऑन 6 ग्रुप्स एंड 8 के ग्रुप में. ठीक है, तो जब आप अरेंज करते हैं तब क्या होता है, तब आपके पास कोई भी फ्रूट बचता नहीं है. ठीक है, आपके पास कोई भी रिमाइंडर नहीं बनता. सो व्हाट विल बी दैट लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट्स फॉर द अरेंजमेंट. तो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि जो फ्रूट्स थे, नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट्स, वो कितने फ्रूट्स रहे होंगे. ठीक है, सो व्हेन एवर यू हैव टू फाइंड द लीस्ट नंबर, लोवेस्ट नंबर, मिनिमम नंबर, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द LCM. ओके, सो फॉर दिस ऑल्सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द LCM ऑफ 3, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, so now we will see. So now see the solution. The least number that can be arranged in the group of 3, 4, 6 or 8 with no fruit remainder, it will be their LCM. Okay, so first हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, we have to find the LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, so now we will see. We will find the LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, so see here 3, 4, 6 and 8. So here 4 and 8, this both will be divisible by 2. So we will start with the 2. So as 3 is not divisible, so 3 को हमने वैसा ही लिख दिया. ठीक है, and 4, 2 2 जा 4 होता है. So we will write here 2 and now 6. We will divide this 6 by the 2. We will get as 3. Okay, and similarly we will get, if we will divide 8 by 2, we will get as 4. Okay, so now see, we are having the number as 3, 2, 3 and 4. So now see here 2 and 4 which will divide by the 2. So again we will take the 2, just like 3 divide नहीं होगा तो हमने 3 को वैसे ही लिख दिया. and 2 1 जा 2, so we will write 1 here and 3 we will write same because 3 is not divisible by 2. and now see the 4. Okay, so 2 2 ja 4, so we have written 2. So now again see 3 1 3 2 we have left. So now again see यहाँ पे 2 फिर से divisible है. Okay, so now we will take as, so now 3 we have written 1, 3 we have written and 2 1 ja 2. Okay, so now see, now we have left as 3 and 3. So now it is divisible by 3. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3 and this 1 will be 1. So yes, in this way you have to find the LCM. Okay, so what will be the LCM? The LCM will be the multiplication of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So yes, what will be the multiplication of 2 into 2? 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 8 3 ja 24. Okay, so what will be the LCM of this number? So LCM of this number will be 24. Okay, so it means what will be the least number of fruits that can be grouped of 3, 4, 6 and 8. तो वो जो लिस्ट जो नंबर था वो कौन सा नंबर होगा, 24. इफ़ वी आर हैविंग द 24, so that we can arrange this number of fruits in the group of 3, in the group of 4, in the group of 6 and in the group of 8. Okay, so have you understood, students? Okay, now come to question number 5. Okay, 3 children are walking together in a park. Their steps measures 38 cm, 76 cm and 96 cm respectively. If they step off together, after what distance will they stop together again? Okay, it means now see 3 children are walking together in a park. 3 children क्या कर रहे हैं, एक साथ वॉक कर रहे हैं इन द पार्क. ओके, नाउ देयर स्टेप्स मेजर 38 सेंटीमीटर, 76 सेंटीमीटर है, 96 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो उनके जो स्टेप्स हैं, ठीक है, सो उनके जो स्टेप्स हैं मीन्स इट विल मेजर, तो उनको क्या करते हैं, 1 स्टेप में इतने डिस्टेंस वो कवर करते हैं. फर्स्ट जो फर्स्ट जो चाइल्ड है वो कवर अप करता है 38 सेंटीमीटर, सेकंड कवर अप करता है 76 सेंटीमीटर एंड थर्ड वन कवर करता है 96 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, तो ना अगर मान लीजिए इन्होंने क्या किया, एक साथ चलना स्टार्ट किया, इफ़ द स्टेप ऑफ टुगेदर, देन अब आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है देन व्हाट डिस्टेंस, कितने डिस्टेंस चलने के बाद वो फिर से अपना स्टेप एक साथ दोबारा उठाएंगे। ठीक है, तो दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड। सो it means you have to find the minimum distance so that they can step up together. Okay, so now it means we have to find the LCM of this 36, 76 and 96. Okay, so now see, suppose they step together again, it will be the LCM of 38, 76 and 96 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, सो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ 38, 76 एंड 96। सो नाउ सी, okay, this is the 38, 76 and 96. So now see, this all the three numbers will be divisible by 3, divisible by 2, so we have to divide it by the 2. Okay, so 2 19 ja 38. If we will divide 76 by 2, we will get as 38. Okay, if we divide 96 by 2, we will get as 48. Okay, so yes, now see, again we are having one number as 38, another number as 48, so again it is divisible by 2. Okay, so we will select 2. So as 19 is not divisible, so we will write down same, and now 38, so it will be divisible at the 19 times, and 48, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8. Okay, so at 24 times it will be divisible by 2. Okay, now see, we are having the number as 19, 19 and 24. So here 24 is divisible by 2, so we have to select the 2. Okay, so 19 and 19 हमने same लिख लिया, and now 2 12 जा 24. Okay, so 12 we have written. Now see, this 12 is again divisible by 2 at the as 2 6 at 12, rest we have to write as same. Now see, this 6 is again divisible by 2 as 2 3 ja 6. Okay, so now see, now we have left the 3, 19 and 19. So now first we will divide it by the 3. So yes, so that we will, this 3 we will get as 3 1 ja 3 and 19 we have written. Now see, 19 is the prime number, so it is only divisible by 19. Okay, so yes, now at last we will take at the 19, so it will be 1 1 1. So now see, what will be the LCM? LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 19. Okay, so हमने जब सबका मल्टीप्लाई किया, then we will get as 1824 centimeters. So as we all know that in 100 centimeter, as we all know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we can convert this 1824 centimeters. So we will get as 18 meter and 24 centimeter. Okay, so after 18 meter and 24 centimeter, they all step together. Okay, now see the 6th question. Ajay distributes some pebbles among his friends by giving each of them either 8 or 9 or 10. He is left with no pebbles. Okay, so what is the least number of pebbles he must have? अजय ने क्या किया, अजय ने कुछ पेबल्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए उनके फ्रेंड्स में. ओके, सो बाय गिविंग ईच ऑफ देम आइदर 9, 8 और 10. तो अगर वो उन्होंने क्या किया, अगर उन्होंने हर एक फ्रेंड को 8, 9 और 10 पेबल्स दिए, तो उनके पास कोई भी पेबल एक्स्ट्रा नहीं बचते हैं. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ पेबल दैट अजय है. ओके, तो अजय के पास कितने कम से कम नंबर ऑफ पेबल्स होंगे, सो दैट अगर वो 8, 9 और 10 पेबल्स हर एक फ्रेंड को देगा, तो उसके पास कुछ भी पेबल्स एक्स्ट्रा नहीं बचेंगे. सो दैट नंबर यू हैव टू फाइंड. सो व्हेनेवर you are finding that, there will be the least number, there will be the lowest number, there will be the minimum number. It means you have to find the LCM. So for this also, first you have to find the LCM of 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so yes, now see, the least number of pebbles that can be distributed will be the LCM of 8, 9 and 10. तो उनका जो least number of pebbles होंगे वो क्या होंगे, उनके LCM. So yes, we have to find the LCM of 8, 9 and 10. So what will be the LCM of 8, 9 and 10? So let's see. this 8 and 10, this both will be divisible by 2, so we have to take the 2. Okay, so 2 से हम start करेंगे. So as 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay, so now we are having as 4, 9 and 5. So now 4 is again divisible by 2, so 2 2s are 4, and 9 and 5 is not divisible, so we have to write same. Okay, now again this 2 is divisible by 2, so 2 1s are 2. Okay, now we have written 9 and 5. So now see, this 9 is divisible by 3, so now we will take the 3 as 3 3s are 9. Okay, and 5 we have written same, and again we are having the 3, so अब हम इस 3 को फिर से हम डिवाइड करेंगे 3 से, so that we will get as 1. Okay, now say 5, and 5 को हमने सेम लिख लिया. Now 5 is divisible by 5 only. 5 क्या है, 5 से ही divisible है. Okay, so what will be the LCM? So LCM क्या होगा, LCM will be the multiplication of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, so now if we will multiply this all, we will get as the 360. So what will be the least number of pebble that can be distributed among the friends? Okay, so there will be Ajay, that boy must have the 360 pebbles, so that he can distribute each friend as 8, 9 or 10 pebbles. Okay, so I hope you all can understand, you all have understood. So thank you so much to all the students for watching this.